Baking soda? You've seen it in your kitchen, maybe used it for cleaning, but what if I told you this simple white powder could actually have powerful effects on your health? In this video, we'll uncover the real health benefits of baking soda, backed by science, and separate the myths from the facts. From soothing heartburn to boosting athletic performance, baking soda is more than just a household cleaner. It's a fascinating natural remedy. Stay tuned until the end, because I'll also reveal the risks and dangers you need to watch out for. Let's start with the most common use, relieving heartburn and acid reflux. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, is alkaline. When mixed with stomach acid, it neutralizes it, giving quick relief. That's why you'll even find it in over-the-counter antacid products. But here's the catch. You can't just drink it all the time. Too much can throw off your body's pH balance. Now what about teeth? Baking soda is one of the oldest natural whitening agents. It scrubs away surface stains and changes the pH inside your mouth, making it harder for bacteria to thrive. Studies show it helps reduce plaque and freshen breath. But don't overdo it. Baking soda is abrasive and could wear down enamel if used daily. Here's a surprising one. Athletes use baking soda as a performance enhancer. When we exercise intensely, our muscles build up lactic acid, which causes fatigue and that burning sensation. Taking a small dose of baking soda helps buffer that acid, letting athletes push harder and recover faster. But this is not for everyone. Too much can cause nausea and bloating. Baking soda is also used for skin irritation, bug bites, and inflammation. It works by calming the skin and reducing itchiness. There's also research suggesting it may help reduce inflammation inside the body by influencing immune cells. But again, results vary, and it's not a cure-all. Some studies suggest baking soda may help slow the progression of chronic kidney disease. It's thought to reduce acid load in the body, which benefits patients with kidney problems. Doctors are also testing it in cancer therapy, not as a cure, but as a way to change the acidity around tumors. These are early studies. Don't take this as medical advice. Always check with your doctor. Now here's where we need to be clear. Baking soda is not a miracle cure. On TikTok, you'll see claims like baking soda cures UTIs or baking soda makes you lose weight fast. These are dangerous myths. High doses can lead to kidney strain, high blood pressure, and even seizures. And if you already have heart disease, this can be risky. So what's the safe way to use baking soda for health? Occasional use for heartburn, as toothpaste a few times a week, or a skin paste for irritation, these are fine. But don't treat it like a daily supplement, and never exceed half a teaspoon at a time in water, unless a doctor directs otherwise. So, baking soda cheap, simple, and surprisingly useful. But like anything powerful, it must be used with caution. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, share it with your friends, subscribe for more science-backed health tips. Thanks for watching, and remember, knowledge is your best health hack.